Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making spring roll with homemade wrap. It's so easy and business idea. So keep watching to see how I made this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First, I'm going to make the fillings. In a pan, I will add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. Next, I will go in with my chopped onions and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. Next, I will add chicken mince, seasoning cube, all-purpose seasoning, and salt. I will mix well to combine and allow it to cook. For my vegetables, I will add cabbage and carrots. I will mix very well and add rice noodles. This is optional. I will add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Mix very well to combine and finish it up with spring onions. And it's ready. I will set it aside for later use. The next step is to make the dough. In a bowl, I've measured in 6 cups of all-purpose flour, salt. I will mix very well to combine and create a hole in the middle. Add vegetable oil and water. I will mix until it forms a dough. Once that is done, I will allow it to rest for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I will divide the dough into 2. Cut into pieces, roll out one of the dough, add the filling, secure it and roll the edges as demonstrated in the video. Seal it with mixture of water and flour. And that is it. Very simple and easy. Once it's nicely rolled out, next is to fry. In a preheated oil, I will add the spring rolls and allow it to fry until golden brown. And that is it. It turned out really nice and delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.